Hi, I'm Lady Jones with Cat in a Hammock, outdoor living design and build construction company. And today I want to walk you through a project that has a relatively small backyard. Lots of homeowners ask, what can I do with my backyard? It's not very large, but I want it to look beautiful and feel like a resort. So today I will walk you through a project that we recently completed that has a small backyard. Let's start with the main attraction, this beautiful spa with a water feature. So it becomes the focal point of the backyard. It not only separates the property next door, gives us some privacy, but it also a fun place to gather with friends in the evenings, enjoy the stars, and during the day when you're not using it, you can have it serve as a water feature. Then from this area, we move to the dining area. There's going to be a dining table here. We built this outdoor kitchen with a catering serve size bar over here. And it has a 32-inch grill, stainless steel doors. There's some drawers in here and a trash bin. Great, so you don't have to run to the house to throw out the trash. And this beautiful countertop, it's a polished concrete countertop, and we use the same stone that we put on the water feature, so these two elements are connected. So this is another space. This is the dining area. We shuffle over here, and this is going to be the living room area. So this is the outdoor living, which was built with a house. This was a concrete slab, so we put a tile in here so the indoor and the outdoor feels like you're in the same room. And of course, when the homeowner opens these doors, it really becomes like a one large room. There's going to be some furniture arriving soon, and it has a wonderful fireplace here and a TV, so this becomes the living room. And now, the final area is the bedroom, is right here. So we built this pad. There's going to be some furniture arriving here, 2 chairs, so the homeowner can come out and enjoy the living room, the bedroom, kind of more intimate, smaller section to maybe have a cup of tea in the morning, something that he can just do on his own. Overall, to summarize, there's an outdoor living room, there's dining, there is a water feature with a spa, and there's a seating in front of the bedroom. Some might say that it's not a very large yard, but you can see there's all these things and functions and spaces that you can attend to in your backyard and enjoy the different views of your backyard. When you're sitting here, you see this. When you're in that space, you see a different angle. So even though it's not very large, there's all this fun stuff that you can do. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. And if you have a backyard that is small, or is narrow, or is some funky shape, you can always make that yard look beautiful and functional. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more ideas, and visit our website at catinahammock.com to schedule your free design consultation. And I will see you in the next video.